like to extend a special welcome to our Dividend Miles members, Star Alliance customers. If you're not a member of the Dividend Miles program and like to earn miles for today's flight or hotel or car partners, you may join US Airways at the ticket counter or usairways.com. There is a complimentary copy of the US Airways magazine located in your seat pocket in front of you. Please refrain from using any portable electronic device until advised by your crew. Please refrain from using any portable electronic device